it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to be going through my January kits and sticker sheets for two planners that I use stickers in. My memory planner, which is the Sadie Stickers planner, which I'm switching to the dated one for this year. And then my plum paper vertical priorities, which I absolutely love and am carrying it into this new year. It's finally cold where I live in Texas. I've got on like a cozy sweatshirt today, and it feels appropriate to be using like these types of stickers now because I think it was like 80 something on Christmas Day, which is insane. But let's get into it. Let me go through my plum paper stickers first because this is just short and sweet. I have quite a few options here for my stickers. I have basically one extra week in here, but I like that it gives me a little bit of flexibility. So I've got these winter quotes that I have left over from December that I definitely want to use really soon. I just really like these. I think they're fun. And then I've got the snowflakes sticker sheet from According to Allie, which I love. And I'm going to use it with the ice alcohol ink. I think that's just so beautiful together, and it's going to be a really fun spread. Then I've got this sheet from Let's Plan It from the winter collection. It's just one sheet, but I could totally make this work, and I think it's just so like bright and vibrant, which is kind of fun. I've got these two sheets from Cactus Paper Company, and this is the Elsa collection. These are the journaling sheets, and I have been really wanting to try her stickers, and I think this is going to be really fun to use, and it just has lots of different options and textures. And then this is so cute from Hand Can Plan. I have two sheets from the Peaceful Winter collection. So I've got this sheet with the full boxes, which is so pretty, and I could definitely cut down some of these. And then I got the washi sheet, which I could also, I think, cut down and just kind of tear and make look really fun. So I'm excited to try this out as well. And the last thing I have to show you is from Let's Plan It. This is so cute, and I am definitely using this sheet. These are from the Kylie collection. This is the deco sheet and the supplemental sheet. This is just going to be so fun and different from the other things. And then this is really cute. I definitely want to incorporate some of these in different spreads. I mean, it'll totally go with this one. But these are just really fun and how I feel about winter. It's not my favorite season, but we got to get through it. And these are just really funny. So that's everything that I have for my plum paper vertical priorities. I have the A5, and all of these stickers work really, really well. And I'm loving my style in that planner. So I'm excited to try out some new shops and some new different like versions of sheets. Okay, then let's get into the kits for my memory planner. So this is going to be my monthly spread kit, and I haven't been filming these because frankly they don't get any views, and they're a lot of work to edit and everything, and so I just have been keeping those to myself and still doing them though. So I wanted to share this kit. I think this is so pretty. This is from Caress Press. It's called Midnight, and I really liked the color scheme. I think it's really beautiful. So here's the first sheet with a bunch of icons. Then you have the other cover that goes on the other side of the page, and some full boxes down here and numbers, and then tons of boxes. That's what I love about her monthly kits, is you get just tons of boxes. And I like the incorporation of the holidays. Sorry, I just had a brain fart there for a second. I think it's funny that she put the Gray Miss on here, but that's like kind of fun. And then I added on this extra sheet of the girl with the reddish hair, of course. She's just fabulous. I definitely was in my pajamas and in bed by midnight for sure. But I mean, we can dream. And then this is just a cute little add-on sheet that comes with the kit that has some deco and some square boxes. And then this box goes somewhere, I think. I think it like matches up with something or whatever. Anyway, you get some extra boxes on there. I just think this is really cute, and the colors are different from the other kits I'm using for this month. Then I have my New Year's week kit. It's called Cozy Night In from Nikki Plus 3. I saw this and just thought that it was so beautiful, and I just really like the colors. It's very like chill, and it's just beautiful. So here are the full boxes. You get some labels at the bottom as well. Just so pretty with that strategic foiling. Gorgeous. I love that quote too. And then we've got a page full of boxes. I love how many boxes come in her kits. Then you have a little bit of deco, some headers down here, some functional things. Everything is foiled and so pretty. And then this bottom washi is so gorgeous. Like the little houses, it's just so cute. I really like that. And then you get the date covers over here and the little midnight number on that little strip. And then her kits always come with date dots and a weekend banner, which is so cool. Love that. So that's my New Year's week kit. So the first week of the year. Then we get into some more fun winter kits. And I like to use winter kits in January for sure, but I like to kind of float them into February as well, just because we don't have winter for very long here, and I like to use as many as I can. So this one is gorgeous. This is from Caress Press, Winter Wonderland. I was really drawn to the colors, and I just think these full boxes are so beautiful. I love this one. It's just so pretty, and I definitely do not visit any place like this. I'm not a skier. I have zero interest in skiing. I don't like being cold. It's not my thing, but I think this is so pretty, and it kind of lets me live vicariously. Oh, that plaid is so pretty. And then we've got the adorable deco. I love the size of her deco because I can use it across the top of my spreads. That is Winter Wonderland. It's just so cute. Then this one is absolutely beautiful. As soon as she released this, I bought it because I just love it so much. This is from Lemon and Honey Studio. I do have a code for her shop. I'll leave it down in the description with all of the other links to the shops. This is so pretty. It's called A Winter's Walk. Oh, it's perfect. It's a photography kit, which is what I wanted to kind of mix up. If you haven't noticed, I like a lot of variety in my spreads so that I don't get bored. And I was looking for a photography kit, and when she posted this one, I just had to have it. I think it's so beautiful. Here are the date covers, and then the bottom washi is so pretty. I just love that. And with the sweater little strip. And then this box is so pretty too. I just love this. The colors too, that combo. So beautiful. And then tons of boxes. Again, love the boxes. So I got 4 pages of this kit. I got the full boxes, I got the washi sheet, and then the page 1 and page 2 kit. These kind of come in a set together, I think. But I just love that from Lemon and Honey Studio. Next is from Caress Press. I'm having a moment with Caress Press this month, I think. So this is the November mystery kit called Snowed In. I don't know if this is available anymore. She posts her mystery kits, like the extras, on her website, and I don't love all of them, but like half of them I really like, and I go and get, and this is one of them. This is so cute. It's definitely more like pinkish than what I go for typically, but I think the other colors offset it nicely, and I think once the whole spread is down, I think it's going to look really, really pretty. I really love this. So here are the full boxes. I love the record player and the books. Little soup. So cute. And then the colors are different from the other spreads I'm using. I really love these blues. And then we've got boxes and glitter headers. Her kits have everything I need for a memory spread. Definitely using that box. That's adorable. And then her deco. So cute. I just love this. I think it's kind of in the same, like, I mean, they're all winter themed, but this is different from the other ones, which I really like. That's so cute. Okay, that's Snowed In from Caress Press. And then last, I don't know if I'm going to use this one. So this is just like a disclaimer. I may or may not use this one. I've got 2 winter kits coming from the Crafty Banana. and I don't know which one I want to use, so I may use the other one, but I do want to show you this one because I have it in my collection, and you just kind of get an idea of what I want to use. So this is the Gilmore Collection Kit 1. It is really pretty, and I've used it before, and I love it. And I've got the full box option, and I think I have the washi option too, maybe. I don't know. But this is just so pretty. So I've got the scene kit here, which the one coming to me, it should be here in like a week or two. It's the non-scene kit. So again, I'm just kind of giving you an idea of what I want. I want something that's just kind of cozy and cute. I like the colors in this one. I think they're super fun. Of course, you get the Fox and Pip deco, which is so cute. And then it's got plaid, which right up my alley. There's tons of functional things here. A plaid weekend banner, which is cute. And then here are the extra boxes, which I could totally incorporate. I don't think I've used these with this particular collection before, but I could. Here's the glitter sampler, and then this is the full box page, so I could use this instead of the scene. So probably going to use this kit over the other winter kit because I've only used this one once, I think, and I might use this one, but indecisive. I have a few weeks before I actually do this spread, so I've got some time to make that decision. The freebie is adorable. It has the really cute little themed candles, and then here's the mini scene with the I Smell Snow, which I really love that. I would probably replace that one with this one. Oh, it's so cute. All right, so those are all of the kits that I'm going to be using in this month, and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'm going to go put all these away, and I will see you next time. Bye.